Hi guys, we're Tim and Joe and we are Travelling Taffs, along with Bella and Lottie, our crazy cockapoos who generally follow us on our journeys. This week's video is a sandwich challenge. We've been nominated by Rhian Dai, who are What's Occurring, and the challenge is in your motorhome to make either a club sandwich or your favourite sandwich or just a sandwich. So that's what we're going to do.
So I'm going to make a 3-bean sandwich, which consists of runner bean, baked bean and kidney beans.
Different?
Yes.
I'm going to be a little bit more practical, and I'm going to have a lasagna and salad cream sandwich, which is one of my faves. So there we are.
Yes, let's crack on.
So let's see how it goes.
So here we have the 3 beans. We've got runner beans, which I'm going to cook off now. I'm going to have cold beans, because I love cold beans.
Okay.
And I'm going to have cold kidney beans as well. And we're going to make a lush sandwich out of that.
It sounds
So
bloody
I'm now
awful to
going
me.
to prep the runner beans.
Okay.
So I'm going to slice them up, and like so, into long slices, and then I'm going to boil them up, and you can catch up with me a bit later on when I'm getting myself organised here. Right, so here we go, putting the runner beans on, bit of water, bit of salt, and some bit of bicarb later on when it comes to the boil. I'll get them going first.
And these are homegrown runner beans, yeah?
Yes, out the garden.
For ours or your mum's?
Ours.
Our garden. Oh, yeah, homegrown runner beans.
Right, how do I work this bloody thing? Okay?
Yep.
So I just put the runner beans on now, wait for them to come to the boil, chuck a bit of bicarb in, and job's good.
Okay.
And then these are really hard to do. I just have to open the lid tin.
Cool.
And spoon on. Kidney beans I will cook, I think. I'm not sure if you have to cook them or not, but I'll
rewarm them.
I'll rewarm. Well, I'll leave them for a bit because they won't take long.
Okay.
That's for that. Beans for that. Open the beans up now, just so I can get rid of the tin opener. Branston, best beans going.
Yeah, no cheap shit. We don't do cheap shit. Like Di doesn't do cheap sausages, we don't do cheap beans. Oh, sorry, yeah, we've got Asda. Yeah, okay, we do cheap shit. Not on beans, though. Not on beans.
Our bread bin.
I think everyone that has a camper uses their microwave as a bread bin.
Quite handy.
It is. Nice fresh loaf.
One nice fresh loaf.
Oh, lovely.
One I prepared earlier.
You baked it yourself, did you?
Well, I went to the shop.
Who baked it himself?
Good question. Oh,
Which bakery did you get the bread from?
I got that from CK's.
Alright. Okay.
Right. My runner beans are boiling away now nicely. I'm just going to add a little bit of bicarb. I don't know why.
You don't know why you put it in?
Well, I was just told to use it, so I do.
But you don't know what the purpose is?
Not a clue.
Isn't it to keep them green or something? Or
Well, I don't know. Well, I'll take your word for that.
well, I don't know either because I don't eat them. We'll have to Google it. Or if anyone knows, here we go. If anyone knows why you put bicarb in runner beans, put a little comment on our video, please, because we'd like to know.
So that's in. And boiling away nicely.
Okay. So how are your beans going there?
Well, the runner beans are cooking nicely, not far off. Kidney beans are warming through. I don't know why, but I'm doing it anyway.
Yeah.
And that's as far as we've got at the moment. So I reckon in another 5 or so minutes we'll be slicing the bread. And
are you looking forward to it?
yeah, actually,
Because he's never actually eaten a 3-bean sandwich before. He loves runner beans and has a runner bean sarnie regularly. Loves cold baked beans,
which I eat out of the tin.
which he eats out the tin. And just trying to make it a little bit more interesting. You have 3-bean everything.
Yeah, I don't mind kidney beans either.
No, but never put them together in a sandwich before.
No, but
First time for everything.
As you keep telling me, dear.
Sure is. Cool. Wash down with the old Stella, obviously. Nice.
Done. Let them off now.
Yeah.
As long as I turn the right one off, we'll be.
But yeah, it's not doing too bad.
Right, then, girls.
Got the loaf, that's amazing.
Now we're going to slice her up.
None of this pre-sliced bread. Nice fresh loaf.
Ready job.
Yeah, I would like to think that my bread slicing came out like that, but it won't. It'll come out about, it'll be like a wedge. It'll be like 3 inches one end, down to ½ an inch the other end.
Put it this way, we'll have half a loaf left.
Yeah, my skills aren't very good at bread slicing, I'll be honest.
But if you ask nicely, I could do it for you.
Well, no, I need to make the effort and try and hack away. Anchor spreadable. Now, normally we use proper butter, but we didn't have any. I forgot to buy it on the Asda order this week. So we're on Anchor spreadable, but it is butter and it's quite nice. I know it's spreadable, but it is spreadable butter. That's so it says on the advert.
Yes, okay, dear.
Nice technique.
You want the butter to melt into that sandwich a little bit.
I see. So there is a technique to it. It's not just butter in bread.
Experience.
You buttered a lot.
You say you like experience.
Oh yeah. Nothing better than a bit of experience.
Right, here we go. The building of the sandwich. So I'm going to start with a little bit of green bean. Just get on the plate. I've got a couple more of those. That's tidy. Then we're going to have a nice bit of cold baked bean.
Oh, cold baked beans out the tin. Nice colours.
Mm-hmm.
Well, going to make a very colourful sandwich, I'll give you that.
It's artistic. Right, okay. Oh, and we're going to have some kidney beans then, just to add a little bit more colour to it. A bit more texture.
Check you out, Mr. Chef.
We've got to have texture in your food.
Yeah.
It's not looking bad, actually.
Looks very colorsome. Colourful. Okay, let me zoom in a bit closer there.
Would you like to?
So we've got bread, we've got runner beans, we've got cold baked beans, and we've got kidney beans. So 3 bean. So it's very healthy. It's got lots of protein. You'll be farting like a trooper tonight with all those beans. And I think that would be vegan friendly. Are baked beans vegan friendly? Because everything else is.
I could sell this.
You could. You could patent it.
Right, this little topping goes on.
The lid's on.
So I go posh now. Well, I'm quite looking forward to this, actually. Right, I shall take a seat.
Here we go.
And cheers, everyone.
Tim's 3 bean sarnie. Runner beans, cold baked beans, and kidney beans.
That's lush. That's really nice.
Is it serious? Yeah. Are you just saying that for the camera?
No. You can make this again.
No, you're right, thank you. Good, I'm glad you like. I'm going to have a little look now and see how my lasagna's getting on, because I've never really cooked a frozen lasagna in this oven before. I'm not quite sure. Tea towel anywhere? Thank you. What the heat is compared to it. No. The cheese on top is melted, it's got to be a bonus. I won't be doing a Dai eating a raw one. It's not going to happen. Yeah. So I'm trying to check on the old lasagna again, see how it's doing. Oven glove, same beamy fingers. And that is looking pretty damn good. Got 15 minutes left to go. 15 minutes left to go, and then we'll be able to create the sarnie. Right, so my lasagna's had 45 minutes in the oven, so I'm going to pull that out now. See how we look.
Looking good.
Looks good to me. Looks bloody lovely. Let's give it a little try. Just check it's cooked right the way through. Oh, look at that cheesiness.
You can go and get...
Cheesiness. Tim is a lover of cheese. He actually thinks he's allergic. He's not physically allergic.
I am.
You just don't like it.
Bloody horrible.
That's banging. So I'm going to leave that now to cool for a minute. Oh, that looks bloody amazing.
So here starts the masterclass in cutting bread.
Yeah.
I want everyone
He
to watch.
He physically quivers when I cut bread because it's painful for him. I can see the pain going through his eyes when I'm... But I will try my best. I will try my best. So, here we go.
I would like to show you a straight edge to start. And we'll have a look later.
Okay. Are we ready?
We're ready.
Okay. Good job I had my nails done with the video, wasn't I?
Too right.
That's a bit thin. There, see? Oh yeah, it is a bit wedgy kind of shaped. Alright, well that's the first, okay? That's the first. Okay, right, hold on.
I'm saying nothing.
But this one's going to look wedgy shaped now because the last one's wedgy shaped. So let's just give it a go. Let's see how we go. It wouldn't make a builder, I don't think, but good job. That's not good either. That's like falling apart. But that's better.
Hang on, show us. Oh, that side looks reasonable. No comment.
But the good thing is, if you put the fat end on the skinny end of the other one, right, I've actually got a perfect. So if you actually look at the loaf, no, let's not look at the loaf.
Looking too bad on this side, you know, we can accept that. But when we go round to this side, I'm not quite sure what's happened.
Okay, so bread slicing isn't really my forte. So there we are. Yep. Anyway, that's enough for the bread. So bread, back in the bag. It tastes the same. Doesn't matter what shape it is really, it tastes the same. And as I say, turn it the other way and else you'll have a perfect sandwich. So, bread back in the bread bin. I knew we bought this microwave for a reason.
Cool.
Luckily I don't have to have chunky butter today because we've got spreadable.
Yes, we have had butter cubes in the past.
Yeah, remember that sandwich I made for Claire and Nathan and I just literally just blobbed it on thinking it would melt?
You used butter portions and didn't melt them, so they just had 4 or 5 butter portions.
I thought by the time they get the bacon sarnie the butter would have melted, but it didn't, so they took the butter and they just had a whole... yeah. Anyway, let's get on with it. So this is going to be the most amazing, cheesy-licious bacon lasagna sarnie I've ever seen. I don't like too much butter. I'm not a fan of too much butter, to be honest.
So who the hell eats it all then?
I think it must be you. It's fallen to pieces.
Might be guilty of that, to be honest.
Yeah, you like a bit of butter. Without it falling.
So how often do you have these lasagna sandwiches then?
Not very often because you don't let me eat cheesy food.
Yeah.
But, well, no, you don't eat it, and I generally cook for both of us. So I'm good. Right, I'm going to leave that for a few minutes. That's it back in the fridge. Why do people? I do the same thing. Why do we put the thing back on top, put it back in the fridge when it's got a lid?
Because that's what it comes with.
I know, but
and they put it on there for a reason.
What?
I don't know, but they put it on there for a reason.
Oh, they are. Okay, another one of those. Put it in the comments. Why the fuck do we put these things on the butter? But more to the point, why do we keep putting it back on? Who knows?
Well, we paid for it. We're going to use it.
Like the bike off. Right, so there we are. That's my masterclass in butter and bread. 5 minutes, we'll be back.
Quick swig of wine, jobs are good.
Cheers. So, on my nicely cut bread, and it's cut that way for a reason, because the other one is the opposite way round. So, you know, you don't need to do this level shit. So, here we go. Lasagna. You delicately place it in the sandwich. Oh, look at that.
That looks disgusting.
That is absolutely bloody amazing. Half a lasagna I think will do, to be honest, otherwise it's going to be falling out. Spread it across. Perfect. Then we go. Zoom in.
Zoom in.
Zoom in. You've got to see like that, you know, you've got a nice little pattern.
Good God. I could never do that.
Bit of salad cream. I could not have done yours, but there we are.
I couldn't even do the salad cream.
That's the salad cream. Now then, this is a dodgy bit because my bread cutting wasn't the best. Oh, and I actually buttered it the wrong way round. Oh, I didn't do it the right way. So I've got a bit of a thick bit. Anyway, it'll all go down the same way. So we're going to
But
cut
on the
it
plus
in half.
side, she had her nails just done for this challenge.
Yeah, I haven't got my nails done. Right, this is going to be a bit of a messy eating sandwich, I think. Although it's absolutely delicious. I mean, look, just look at that. Just zoom into that. And that just looks absolutely, amazing. Sorry about that.
The question is, where's it going? In here or down here?
Probably a bit of both. Let's have a little look. Are you ready? Ready? Look at that. Oh, lasagna sandwich with salad cream.
Open wide.
That is amazing. You can go back a bit now. That is banging.
It smells terrible.
Tim has a real phobia of cheese. That's done since he was a kid. When I first met him, I had 2 kids already who were pizza lovers. And when I used to put a pizza in the oven for them, he had to leave the house. He would literally leave the house for an hour, come back. I'd have to open the windows, get rid of the smell before he'd come back.
Yeah.
So I learnt now I eat pizza 7 days a week. I don't open the windows. He's never fucking around.
I don't know where I go though.
No, I think it's a pub. But that is really good. Really good.
Watch your fingers, woman. Oh my good God.
So, lasagna sandwich. I know it's not technically challenging. I can actually cook, but why do you want to when you can have this? Sorry, a bit messy.
Pardon?
Sorry, it's a bit messy. Hi guys, we hope you enjoyed our sandwich challenge.
Sorry.
Okay, let's try again.
Got that one wrong.
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed our sandwich challenge. We definitely did. My lasagna sandwich was banging. Really nice.
It was a good laugh, to be honest. I really enjoyed mine.
Good.
And I will be making it again.
Oh, can't believe that actually, but there we are.
But it was different, it was good.
Yeah, thanks to Rhian Dai for nominating us. It was a good laugh. And we would like to nominate a Mandarin Mark known as Adventures with Indy 125. And we'd like to nominate them for the sandwich challenge. So we look forward to seeing your sandwiches, guys.
Definitely.
And for anyone who is new to our channel or just browsing, please subscribe. We would really love to subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. It's free. We are begging. We'll love you forever. And hope you enjoyed. Ciao for now. See you again. Bye-bye.
See ya.
Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky.